This is okra. Some are already growing really fast. This is, what's this called, Mommy?
Eggplant.
Oh, eggplant, egg.
Torta yon, eggplant lang yan. Ito yung
Oh.
eggplant.
Okay, so these are the eggplants.
Mm.
And what's this?
That's spring onion.
Here.
Yeah.
Onion. And then we have, what's this called?
Let me see. That's all sili.
Silly.
Sili, oo.
Silly. And then silly. We also have
Upo.
upo. That's really growing really fast.
Yeah.
And we have one more thing here.
Wait. And there, yeah. Let me see.
And then we come all the way to the end where the plants are. And we also have this little plant, Mommy. Where should we put it?
That's a cactus. Just put it.
Okay, so we have a cactus. Alright, let's go out, guys. It's getting a wee bit hot in here.
Yes, that. Kaya nga, greenhouse.
Okay, let's go out.
There's some fertilizer in there. Yeah, just put it down.
Alright. Just careful with it. We
Pot.
have